In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide countertop seams with paint. I recently made a video on how to hide countertop seams with caulk. You won't always be able to match a color of caulk to the color of your countertop. However, you can get paint to match your countertop. Just take a piece in and have it color matched anywhere that sells paint. On one of the jobs I was working on, I had to reuse existing countertops. We had plenty of countertops to use, they just weren't long enough. So I joined several pieces together. I just wasn't happy with the black lines of the seams showing, so I filled them with paint. In this segment, I joined two pieces of splash together. When I was finished filling with paint, you can see the seam is almost invisible. You may have to apply several coats because when the paint dries, it will shrink somewhat, so adding several coats will help to fill in the seam. Here I had two counters I had to join together and had a seam to fill. This was a freshly joined countertop, so I didn't have to clean the seam. Had this been an old seam, you'd have to clean it before filling it with paint. Start by filling the seam with paint, using a paintbrush or your finger. Next, I take a damp rag and start wiping the paint off. Wiping across the seam will help push the paint in. If you wipe with the seam, it'll remove paint instead of filling it with paint. These countertops were joined on site with a skill saw and a belt sander, so the seam was a lot more noticeable than I wanted it to be. Here you can see the paint's doing a pretty good job. The tighter the seam or joint, the easier it will be to hide. The seams may not be totally invisible, but it's a lot better than not filling them. I hope this video helped. Don't forget to subscribe and give a thumbs up. Click the bell icon to get notified whenever I post a new video. Also, visit me on Facebook. Until next time, thank you for watching.